Hello dear learners and viewers, you are all welcome to my online session. Hope you are all well and safe by the grace of Almighty God. We all know that the whole world is suffering from COVID-19 coronavirus, and people of all walks of life are also suffering from it. Even the Bangladeshi people are not the exception. Our government is trying to cope with the critical situation by taking different types of steps, tricks and tactics. And online class is one of them. Dear learners, I know very well that you have come in this institution with a dream, cherishing in your heart. But unfortunately, you cannot be able to attend the class physically. You are missing the classroom. Nevertheless, I do hope you will be benefited and be able to continue your study properly through this online class. So, once again, you are most welcome to my online class. As it is my introductory class with you, I would like to introduce myself before entering the main topic. I am Anup Kumar Pal, lecturer in English, Kazda Government Higher Secondary School, Rupshapatra Sodar Khorda. Well, today I would like to work on the rules for answering the short questions, which are called according to the syllabus comprehension questions. An important item of English first paper for the students of 11 and 12. This item contains 10 marks. Dear learners, you should bear in mind that you have to answer 5 questions and each question contains 2 marks. So, you have a great opportunity to get 10 marks, okay? So, at the very outset of my discussion, I will focus on who. You know, dear learners, who is used especially in courses to ask about the name, identity or identification or function of one or more people. In a word, I can say here that who always ask for the identity or the identification of a person or more persons. Here I can write number 1 structure, subject plus verb plus extension. Extension especially means the information of the asked person. For example, I can mention here example 1, who was John Keats? Dear learners, you know very well that John Keats was an eminent poet of English literature, especially a romantic poet. His major works are Ode on a Melancholy, Ode on a Grecian Urn, Ode to Psyche, Ode to Autumn are also mentionable. So, who was John Keats? Answer. First of all, I shall take subject. Here subject from the question John Keats. Then verb was from the question was. Here no principal verb can be found, but only on verb, that is auxiliary verb. John Keats was. Then the information about who. That means the identification of John Keats. John Keats was an English poet. An English poet. Suppose I can also tell you who's Rabindranath Tagore. You can answer. Rabindranath Tagore's verb was a great poet of Bengali literature. Who was Kazi Nazrul? In the same way, you can answer that Kazi Nazrul was also a great fate of Bangla literature. Then structure 2, about who? The information about the asked person, plus verb, plus extension. Here, for example, who took the book? Who took the book? Here, who is used as subject. Here, the identification of who is morning. Then verb, principal verb, took, and the extension, the book. So, next, the second item, home. I will discuss on home. Whom is used instead of who. That means whom is used instead of who. As the object, that means whom is an object form of a verb or a preposition. Structure: subject plus verb plus given preposition plus information about whom. To whom means towards someone or somebody. With whom means with someone or somebody. By whom means the work to be done by someone or somebody. For example, to whom did the boy go? Here, subject the boy. Here, did is first tense. That means the question is in first tense. So the answer will be in the sentence. So go will turn into first tense. The boy went. The boy subject went verb plus given preposition to plus extension. That means the information about whom to the principal. Or the boy went to his mother. The boy went to the manager, etc. Next, with whom does she live? Here, subject she lives, given preposition with, the identification about whom? Her mother. Next, by whom? Next, by whom has the work been done. Here answer is the work verb, that means the auxiliary verb has been plus principal verb done, given preposition by, and identification about whom by Mr. Abraham. Dear learners, today in this very moment I want to end my class. So thanks a lot for enjoying my class. I have discussed here about who and whom and the different types of whom, that means to whom, with whom, by whom. You are invited to attend my next class. Stay safe, maintain social distancing, and study with deep attention. No more today. We wish you best luck. Bye.